गोंयांत आडकल्ल्या 300 ब्रिटीश नागरिकांक ब्रिटीश दूतावासान खासा विमान धाडून परत व्हेले. टायटन एअरवेजाचें विमान दाबोळे पावलें तेन्ना गोंयांत आशिल्ल्या ह्या ब्रिटीश नागरिकांनी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंगूय पाळ्ळें. ब्रिटीश उच्चायुक्तान तांकां आदार केलो. 17 खासा कोचांतल्यान ह्या प्रवाशांक दाबोळे हाडिल्ले. तांणी डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म भरले. तांचें थर्मल स्क्रिनिंगूय जालें.
Great fun here. The people we've been looking after at Putnam Beach have been wonderful. Going back home to a very similar situation, so it's, as a citizen, to go back to your country, it's probably more beneficial, but it's the same in India as it is in England.
Have you found any trouble in getting essentials while you were in Goa or anything?
No, the people we stay with, the Bamboo Yoga Retreat, have been really amazing. They've looked after us really, really well, and yeah, we've kind of felt at the same time, like everyone's in the same situation, very similar situation. That's how we felt, yeah.
We're helping 300 British nationals return home today, and this is going to be the first of 7 flights taking place across India this week. However, we know that there are many thousands more British nationals in Goa, very eager to get home, and we're working around the clock to make sure that we get flights for those as soon as possible.
Sir, how much satisfied with the facilities that got you to the passengers in Goa, sir?
We're incredibly grateful for all the support that we've received from the Goa authorities and from the airport to enable us to organise these flights and to get all of these British nationals home.
Airport Authority of India Goa International Airport is, during this time of distress, is working 24/7, and today we are sending the 19th relief flight. This 19th relief flight is going to Stansted, UK, and is carrying around 315 passengers plus one infant in it. To make this happen, a lot of teamwork has gone inside. Our operations people, our engineering people, our housekeeping staff, CSS staff, custom people, as well as immigration people, and all the people have joined hands together, and it is the result of the joint teamwork that we are today able to send more than 3,000 passengers to their different destinations around the globe.